Here I have BLACKVIEW BL6000 PRO, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Battery Saver. By tapping on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can for example set up a schedule for this mode based on your percentage. So basically, for example, at 20% battery, power saving mode will turn on automatically, and you can also set it to turn off when your device is up to 19% charged. So yeah, and this is all the options of this mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.